Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to download TinyTask on Windows 11. Well, basically, TinyTask is a busy automation app that you can use to record and repeat actions, and it's 100% portable. So to download this TinyTask, all you need to do is open up your Google Chrome, go to the search box, and type right here TinyTask, and tap on the enter on your keyboard and click on this first link. And here on the homepage, as you can see, this is the tiny tool that we're going to download. So if we scroll down, you'll find some information about this tiny application. So right from here, so you'll find all the versions. Now basically, you just need to click on this exe file right there, and it will automatically download this one. As you can see, it's only 35 KB, and we have to open this. So double click on that, and here it goes. Now what we're going to do now is we need to try this tool right here. So we just need to open the notepad, and basically right here we're going to close all the notes right from here, and we're going to add a new note from here. Now let's go to the settings and go to this recording hotkey. So basically just need to set to F8, and then the playback hotkey will be F12, and just check this continuous playback. Now let's try it. Now if we tap on that record right over here, and we're going to write thank you for watching. So from here, so just an example, and then tap on F8, and then we're going to tap on the F12. Now let's see on how it works. And as you can see, it can record and repeat all your actions on your computer. So that's all. That's how you basically download this TinyTask on your Windows 11. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.